Hello and welcome! Today we have Paletteful Packs, which is a mystery art subscription box that comes every single month. I can't wait to see what's inside. Plus, I have quite the surprise for you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, I know it's a little late in the month for Paletteful Packs, but I was gone for the first 11 days. So I'm back. Let's see what's in here. Tombow dual brush pens. Okay. I'm not the best letterer, but this is probably useful for other stuff, I'm sure. Illustration, see? Ooh, what's that? A Fudenosuke brush pen. I don't know if I said that right, but it looks like we have a black and a blue, maybe. It says black ink on both of them, but that doesn't look black. We'll find out. And a toned blue. Interesting. Mixed media pad. Ooh, I like that. That's very unique. Ooh, and super thick. Wow, what is that? 184 pounds. I think I'm going to enjoy that. Oh, this has a lot of stuff in it. Okay. Another jelly roll. Winsor & Newton. What are these? 0.1s and a 0.5 blue. So we have a blue themed box this month, I believe. That one is all dried out. What else? A blending kit. A dual brush blender pen, a spray mister, and a blending palette. Interesting. It looks like, other than the sticker, which I absolutely adore, and I needed one more for my pencil cases that I have on the wall. Actually, they're holding my paintbrushes over there and my pencils over here. And one of them is stickerless. I've been waiting for a good sticker, and I love this one. It's going on there. Okay, I can't wait any longer. I have to show you guys what happened when I got back, because it's crazy. It's crazy. Look what came in the mail. All right. If you're new here, there's a whole saga about this sketchbook, and I will link my Inktober video where I explained all that up there in the corner for you, and if I remember, down in the description box below. So this came, which is bizarre. I have emails saying that they didn't have this one anymore, and they refunded my money, and then I received it anyway. So then I'm like, well, maybe one of you sent it to me, because the envelope says like Ship Bob, Bethlehem Fulfillment Center, Ship Bob, but inside it says it's from Viviva Colors, so maybe they sent it to me after all. I'm not sure. But now I have the dilemma because this one is dated, and I made my own paper and everything for Inktober, as you know, and I haven't opened this yet. I'm really excited to see what it's like. Whew. Anyway, I know I made my own paper, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this sketchbook. Okay, let me just end the teaser right there. I'm going to use this sketchbook. I know I've already transferred some of my sketches, but maybe I'll just do an original and try and sell that other one that I made online. So maybe I'll be doing it twice. And then I have to show this to you because I totally forgot about it. When Viviva said they couldn't get me a sketchbook, I went and saw this one, and it apparently my hand hit order. But it's so cute. However, it is 5.5 inches, so it's too small for me to really use for my Inktober. But with these are actually supposedly little dogs, but they look like cats, and I thought that would have been the awesomest cover in the world for my cat drawings that I'm doing for Inktober. And it's really nice cold pressed watercolor paper in here. So, and there's supposed to be, I think I just threw the cover away that said how many sheets were in there. Let's see. 300 GSM. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure I was going to have to use the front and back. I'll count them later. But anyway, that's my little mini art haul. And here we have Inktober sketchbook after all. Can you guys believe that? Can you believe that? And I had a gift card still on Amazon that this got taken off of, so still not technically breaking my buying freeze. We won't talk about that one. Okay. I'm kind of bummed I have to redo some of the tracing over of my sketches into this, but I want to use it. I'm excited. I'm glad it's here. I'm very happy. All right, here's everything we got. I will contact them and see if they'll replace this Winsor & Newton 05 that's all dried out, but later. I actually think I might have seen an email or something about that. I'm not sure. I will look. Anyway, lots of stuff. Sorry about the glare. Stupid studio lights. Here we go. All right. Yeah, here's everything we got. I'll put the prompts up on the screen for you, and we'll see what we can create with these. Should be fun. All right, it's been a few days. I'm supposed to show you all this, but I am not going to do the prompts because all I can think about is Inktober. And so this is just a distraction that I'm not really welcoming right now. But this paper is awesome. Wow. So let's at least try these supplies out and kind of see what they look like. Could at least do that. That blending one, this one, is really better to mix like different colors, and we just have a bunch of blues. So I don't really think this is all that useful for us, except for maybe lightening them even more, except there's already really light ones. So I don't think I'll open this for now. Might keep it for something else or another time. But this is the 0.1 here, and this one is not all dried up. And yes, I did have an email from them that Winsor & Newton knows they have a bad batch, yeah. So this one I'm just putting in the trash can, and Paletteful Packs said they will be sending out probably not the same pen, but something of equal value to us either later this month or in next month's box. And let's open these, see what these are. I probably have both of these already, but that is okay. Soft tip with flexible brush and a hard tip with a firm brush. All right, calligraphy, hand lettering, black ink, non-refillable, water-based pigment ink. All right, here's the hard tip, blue. I think that's what it said, didn't it say hard tip? Yes, sorry, it's black, and I probably said that several times. These are both black. The outside of the pen is blue so that you know at a glance that it's the hard tip. So if you go fast, it's okay, you just have to press harder. This paper seems pretty absorbent, so you can see it goes on pretty black at first, but then as it dries, it's soaking into the paper. Really cool paper. I can't wait to try this on other stuff when I am not fully distracted by Inktober. All right, this is the black brush pen soft tip. I guess it does feel a little softer. At first I'm like, I can't even tell any difference between the two. But this one skips more, like doesn't cover as easily as the other one. So you have to go slower. More slowly. All right, there's those. Jelly roll, we all know and love. It's pretty wet ink there, but let's see what it looks like just on the blue itself. Like it? Shows up pretty well. All right, let's try these out. Then we can move on with our lives. I have no idea if that's the right order. What do you guys think? Probably not. That looks wrong too. That's okay. We don't care. So these are double tipped, water-based. Oh, that's a very pretty color on this blue paper. So a bullet nib and a brush nib. So that's fun. Let's play with some lettering. I don't do lettering. I am not a letterer. Can't even say it. Wow, look at that eye. Does that look fancy or what? I do like these. I like them better than I thought, but you can't really tell much by one little word, but fun. This looks just like that color, but it's not. Yeah, I need to not letter. All I can think about, nice light blue. Let's see how light this is on this paper. Pretty well invisible. All right, so all I can think about is Inktober. So if you're here for this Paletteful Packs, I'm very sorry to disappoint you, but I'm going to go in to show you what I have done for Inktober in the last few days because I have been obsessed. It has been like a 24/7 thing, and there's good reasons for that. So these products are interesting. I will get back to them because I love this paper, and I think it's going to be super fun to do something on. Yeah. Ooh, it's just nice. Nice paper. And these feel great. So it'll be fun to play with these some more as well. And with this blending kit, because it has that little soft palette too, if I wanted to use these more like a watercolor, I suppose I could do that. But usually when I have markers, I like to use them as markers, so they probably won't be used with watercolor much. Paletteful is over with for now, and I will show you my Inktober stuff. Okay, so you saw I got the sketchbook. Let me zoom out. Sorry about the blaring studio lights. What I had already done on my trips, if you need to catch up because you came here for Paletteful Packs, but you're kind of curious what I'm doing for Inktober, and you need to catch up, I will link the Inktober playlist up in the corner for you, so you can pause this video and catch up over there and then come back to this one and you'll know what's going on. Anyway, I was on the trip, and this was the second 10-day trip, and I cut my own watercolor paper, Strathmore 500, and I had done my sketches. Hang on, over here on copy paper, have some references there. My sketches over here on copy paper. And then on my trip, I had actually started to transfer my sketches onto the nice paper and ink them, and then I was trying to post them on time. So I was still going to do this one front and back, and you can see I have these done, and this one is transferred onto the paper but not inked, because that was all I was able to get done on that trip. And then I came home, the sketchbook was here, and now I'm like, I really want to use it because it's dated, like I told you in the beginning. So now I've been obsessed with just spending all my time trying to get this going. So here I have redone those ones that I did on this nice paper, and I will use these. I'll figure that out. I'm not really having fun transferring my sketches with graphite paper. It's quite annoying actually, but that's all right. Here is day 1 crystal, day 2 suit, vessel, trying to keep the ones on the right a surprise, knot, that's day 4, and then raven. And I think I probably will go ahead and fill these ravens in black with maybe one of my brush pens, because I don't get to use those very often. That's something I'm kind of missing since I'm only doing the outlines of these because I want to paint them. I am missing that thing about Inktober where I get to use all my fancy brush pens and black inks and liners and all of that. Anyway, day 5. Day 6, spirit. Day 7, fan. And I'm trying to make the character look the same throughout, but I messed up a little bit on these two faces, especially this guy. I think that guy should probably be covered with another piece of paper and his little face redone. This face is adorable. I just don't know that it matches my character, so I have to think about that some. But you know, I only have so much time in a day to sketch and get all this done, so there's that. Okay, day 8, watch. This one's fun. I can't wait to color this one. It's going to be a blast. Day 9, pressure. And then that's all I have done as of today. Today's the 14th, so I'm a little behind, but I do have day 10 sketched. And again, I'm trying to make the character look the same. I think that I've erased this ear like 4,000 times. Anyway, my eraser is getting a good workout. Yeah, that ear is still wrong. So I'm going to have to spend some more time on this one. That's why I have not put this one over into the fancy sketchbook yet, because I am not quite happy with it. I like to sketch and then give it a few days to come back and keep looking at it. And I think that helps me refine them and make them look more like I'm happy with. So day 10 will be this one. He is in a gold mine, and that will be gold paint. I can't wait for that. Day 11. I love this one. Sour. Look at his ears. It's so cute. And this was just my initial concept for Stuck, because I just started that not too long ago, probably half an hour ago. And I'm having some trouble like finishing the thought, so I have to do some more brainstorming on Stuck. So this is my Inktober update so far, and you can see that on a few of these, I'll show you on watch because it's kind of an interesting process. I am sketching on 7.5 by 7.5 copy paper that I've just rounded the corners on. But I start sketching and then I realize I don't have enough paper and I didn't start my sketch in the right place. And that's the thing with traditional sketching, is you can't just grab it and scooch it. If I want to move it, I have to erase the whole thing and redraw it, and I don't like drawing enough as it is. I'm a painter, not a drawer. Keep saying that. So I don't want to erase it. So what I did was just scooch the paper down onto another piece of copy paper, for example, keep drawing up, and then tape it back together on another piece of paper. So that's kind of interesting, and you can see I've done that with this one called Pick as well. All right, well, I hope this video was not a total disappointment for some of you. I really appreciate you being here and going on this journey with me here for Inktober. It is a journey, that's for sure. It's kind of stressful this year because I'm behind, and I don't like being behind, but I do enjoy working on this every day. It is kind of nice to sketch every day. I guess that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.